In this video, we'll find the value of a very simple fractional expression. The given value is 1 by x plus 999 equals 1000. We need to find the value of 1 by x plus 1000. First, the given value is 1 by x plus 999 equals 1000, or we can write this as 1 by 1000 equals x plus 999, or we can arrange and we can bring left side on the right side and we can write x plus 999 equals 1 by 1000. We can give this as equation number 1. We can use this value x plus 999 to get the required value. The required expression is 1 by x plus 1000. So we have 1 by x plus 1000. We can write this as 1 by x plus 999 plus 1. Now we can put the value of x plus 999 from equation number 1 and we can write 1 by 1000, the value of x plus 999 plus 1. Next we can simplify and we can write 1 by 1000 1 plus 1000. Then we can write equals 1 by 1000 1 by 1000, or we can write this as 1 times 1000 by 1001, which gives us equals 1000 by 1001, which is our required value of 1 by x plus 1000. 1 by x plus 1000 equals 1000 by 1001. This is our required value for the given problem. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.